Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the new Disney collection from ColourPop. This is the one that focuses on all of the revamped Disney princesses, and they look phenomenal in this campaign. I am over the moon excited for ColourPop's collaboration with Disney on this particular collection. I remember seeing the initial emails, I bookmarked it, I saw it on Trend Mood's page, and then as soon as it went live on ColourPop's website, I hit buy. It actually shipped really quickly. It shipped the exact same day that I placed my order, which rarely happens with ColourPop, and it ended up arriving in less than a week to my doorstep. For any fellow Canadian shoppers who are wondering, yes, I did get slapped with $25 worth of customs duties, taxes, and importing fees. So unfortunately, the price tag of this entire collection was significantly higher for myself, being a Canadian resident and paying in Canadian dollars. So do keep that in mind if you are considering picking this collection up. As you have probably already gathered, I did purchase the entire collection, not the PR box, because as beautiful as it is, I'm just gonna end up throwing it in the garbage. It's not gonna go on display anywhere in my house. I just don't have the room. So instead, I just picked up the entire collection minus the highlighters. I already have way too many highlighters as it is, and I don't really like the Super Shock format for their highlighters. So I'm gonna be running through everything that I have here. This is a first impressions. I did do an unboxing on my Instagram, and that was a lot of fun, so I know what I'm playing around with, but I haven't had a chance to slap it all on my face, and that's what we're gonna do today. So if you're interested in seeing how all of this transpires, keep on watching, subscribe, and hit the thumbs up button. Y'all know the drill. I am going to be starting off with the eyeshadow palette, which came in this box here. It is a beautiful gold box that has all of the signatures for all of the Disney princesses. It is so beautiful that I kept it. And then the palette itself is just stunning. My goodness. I love all of the couture looks that the princesses have. I think Princess Jasmine is totally rocking her romper, and I love it. She looks phenomenal. As with most ColourPop palettes, it is a cardboard box. It does have a magnetic closure, and then when you crack it open, you have all of the Disney princess signatures in here. I think that is adorable. And then of course, all of the eyeshadow colors. And yes, they are stunning. You have a row of mattes at the top. There's a row of metallics in the middle, and on the bottom, it looks like you have an extra metallic, a couple of satin finishes, and a couple of glitter shadows as well. I am in a gold kind of mood today. I feel like I have steered away from my favorite eyeshadow color, and I'm bringing it back to my home roots. So I'm gonna make this gold color in here the focal point of the look that I am going to do. And rather than just talking through this whole thing, because it's gonna take forever, I'm gonna speed this up a little bit and just have you guys watch how I apply these shadows to my eyes. Y'all already know I'm a big fan of the ColourPop formula. I think the eyeshadows go on really easily. They also blend nicely, and they're quite pigmented. I'm gonna kick this into high-speed drive, and I'll see you at the end of it. eye look all complete. As you can see, I use a little bit of the champagne color, gold all over my lid, some deeper browns, and a little bit of crease work, and I think it turned out beautifully. This eyeshadow palette definitely did not disappoint. I really like the metallic colors. They do go on quite pigmented, as do the matte colors, especially Abu. Abu was really pigmented. I actually wasn't expecting it to be that dark when I put it on, especially since these colors over here were just a little bit on the lighter side, probably because they match my skin tone a lot better. Beast, which was this glitter brown color over here, applied really nicely. I did use it in the outer corner as well as the lower lash line, and to be honest with you, not much glitter is left over after I applied it. I feel like the glitter just kind of wiped away. Perhaps it would be different if you put this all over your lid, really patted it down, maybe used a glitter glue primer underneath, but for my purposes, it actually worked quite nicely as an outer corner defining color. Eyeshadow palette definitely gets a thumbs up for me. I really enjoyed using it. Moving on to the Super Shock shadows, because those also came with the package. They came in these beautiful little boxes here. I have taken them all out and thrown them away. I did keep one so I could show you guys just because it's so cute. I love the gold. It's got Disney on the top, all of these pretty little stars all around. Just such a beautiful package. I just noticed I'm still zoomed in. Let me zoom out a little bit. There we go, a little bit better. I'm going to start off by showing you the color Hi Ho. This one here actually did come broken, and I had to push it back down with my finger in order to get it to sit back in its pan. This one here is an ultra glitter color, so let me show you what that looks like. It's quite frosty with quite a bit of pink and purple duochrome glitter in it. It does look very nice. The next color I have is called So This Is Love, and this one here is an ultra metallic color. I have yet to swatch this one, so fresh with a clean finger, I'm popping right in there, and this one is beautiful. It has a really nice mauve undertone to it, and it is definitely ultra metallic. The next color is called Almost There, and this one is another ultra glitter. Unfortunately, this glitter also came partially broken, so I had to push it back into the pan, and when I take my finger and just swatch it a little bit, you can see this one is definitely a really nice deep brown with some multi-chrome glitter in it. It is another beautiful shadow. Up next, I have Be Our Guest, and this one is a satin purple. Oh my goodness, I haven't swatched this one either, but oh, I can tell. Oh, yeah, buddy. I am gonna love this color. It's not one of those colors that is super wearable, I think, or maybe if you do a really nice like sort of light wash all over your lid, it could look good. But when you build it up, damn, it is stunning. Guys, I love this packaging so much. It's got the Disney castle on the lid. It's so pretty. This color here is called A Whole New World. I know I shouldn't be singing, but it is called A Whole New World. This is another ultra glitter color, and this one is pure purple, party people, pure purple. And you can see it on the back of my hand. It matches Jasmine's outfit beautifully. I love the glitter in this one. I think this is a really nice wearable color. And finally, I have this beautiful bright green Super Shock shadow. This is another ultra metallic. It's called Under the Sea, and all I can hear in my head right now is Sebastian singing Under the Sea. Can you tell I love The Little Mermaid? This is another stunning color. I think it would be a great accent, whether you want to use it all over your lids or if you want to use it underneath your lower lash line. I think this is going to make any look pop. The next item I'm going to talk about is the Lux Lipsticks that come in this packaging here. I think this packaging is phenomenal. I'm actually gonna keep it because I just love the princesses on the front. I think they all look so chic and fabulous. They seem to be ready to rock the runway at New York Fashion Week. And for the lipstick tubes themselves, they do have quite a bit of heft to them. The packaging is quite nice, and again, the signatures are all over the gold cap. I think it's beautiful. Definitely something you're gonna wanna put on display. Here is the first color. This is Tiana's color, and Tiana has this really nice deep berry red, which, can we talk about how much this is a Dimitra color right here? I could totally rock this lipstick with this particular look, but I actually do have something else in mind, but that right there is Tiana. The next color that I have is Cinderella, and Cinderella is this beautiful muted pink color. This color is equally stunning. Oh, it just looks beautiful. Princess Jasmine has to have the best lipstick color of them all. This beautiful, bright fuchsia. You can't go wrong with this. I think this is one of those colors that all you need is a little bit of mascara and then boom, slap this on and you're good to go. And there is Princess Jasmine. Beautiful. The next color is Ariel's, and Ariel's is just a perfect nude color. It actually reminds me a lot of the Sweet Mama Star lipstick from Patrick Star and Mac, his collaboration. It looks very, very similar to that. Let me grab that one because I do want to do a bit of a comparison. And okay, I mean, Ariel's has a little more of a brown undertone, whereas Patrick's has a little more of a pink undertone, but they do look quite similar. Up next, we've got Snow White, and of course, Snow White needs to have her crimson red lipstick. And this is probably one of my favorite colors. I just think it is so beautiful. Trying to get you a good angle there. It's a stunning, stunning color, and I think that's gonna look good on just about every single skin tone. And lastly, I've got Belle's color. So Belle from Beauty and the Beast. It is this beautiful sort of pinky and nude color. Oh, this one here, it's also got slight mauve undertones to it. This one is probably going to be my go-to lipstick color. It is the one that I'm going to be putting on today with this particular look. I love this color because it is like a your lip color but better. It just brings everything together so nicely. And lastly, I've got the 3 lip glosses. There's Bibbidi Bobbidi Boo. And I think I like these 2 the most. This one here is nice, but it's probably not going to be one of my go-tos. Actually, I do want to use Bibbidi all over my lips at the moment. It's such a beautiful clear gloss. It does have a little bit of a glitter in it, but you can't really see it on your lips. The gloss is not super sticky in any capacity, and that is something that would really bother me, and it's something that I genuinely like about the ColourPop lip glosses. They sit quite comfortably on the lips. So Bobbidi is one of the other colors, and this is the one that I'm kind of like about, just because I think it is a little too corally for my liking, but I definitely see this color as being something that I would wear on a vacation for the most part. But then Boo, which is this beautiful mauve toned glitter. It's got really nice pink to it, but it looks like there's a bit of a purple undertone to it. That's what it looks like over there. It's just a good one. I think that's one that I would probably wear a little more frequently. And that's the entire collection except for the highlighters from Disney and ColourPop's collaboration. I genuinely like all of these products, and I can certainly see myself using these on a regular basis, especially the eyeshadow palettes, several of the Super Shock shadows, all of the lipsticks I definitely see myself using time and time again, and also a couple of the lip glosses. I'm really happy with this collection, and if you are able to, I highly recommend picking it up and playing with it as well. And that's gonna do it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. You can also connect with me on all of my social media. I'm gonna make sure to link everything for you in the description box below. Thank you again so much for watching. I hope you are all having an amazing day no matter where you are in the world. Stay beautiful, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!